So Rajan, could you tell us how this radio calling system of your taxi works?
Okay, normally this is how it starts from, let's say a customer calls.
Yeah.
And then that customer could be from any part of the town area. So we have about 47 taxis. Normally we have moving, it will be about 20 taxis.
Okay.
So while they are in town, and then let's say if the call comes from Citytel Hotel. So what happens is whoever the nearest person at Citytel will respond.
Right.
And then someone who's much more nearer, let's say a second taxi is much more nearer, so he do response too. So from there, from taxi A and B, so what the controller does is he will pick the nearest taxi.
Yeah.
He will know when you tell a point that you are at point A.
Yeah.
So the controller will know that he is the nearest person. So what he will do, he will respond to his call number. So every taxi has a call number.
What's yours?
Mine is 35.
Okay.
Okay, so once, let's say for example, I'm the nearest person at Citytel, he'll say, okay, 35, you proceed to the location. So whoever the person there will go and get the customer.
So it brings a lot of efficiency within the system. The driver is happy, the customer is happy.
Oh yes, we really try to cut short our time. We try to provide the service as fast as we could. So that is the main efficient thing in the company here, and a lot of them likes that because it doesn't matter who goes and picks, but they know the company people are the one is there to do the service.
So the controller is from the radio company and you all are loosely affiliated or what?
No. The controller is from our team.
I see.
So he is considered the founder of this whole thing.
I see.
So what he does is he has got a group of us where it consists of 47 of us.
I see.
And then we are not actually reporting, so we are helping him in the sense to get the service to.
But you all are independent from him.
Yes, we can do anything we want.
You can reject if you want a call.
Actually, we don't do that.
Okay.
Because once if you are nearby, then you have already responded for the call.
Yeah.
So you have to pick the call.
Okay. And how many years has this been in operation, this system?
Well, this operation has been going on. I'm actually about 3 years in this company.
Okay.
So earlier to me, I think you can say it's about 7 to 8 years.
I see. But do taxi drivers say that their earnings have grown with it? It's better?
Oh yes. If I put myself into the picture, I think the day that I came in and now what I'm going through, I think my business has picked. Because partly is the service that we are giving them.
Yeah.
So, and we get customers, not only direct customers, even from customer to customer, they introduce, giving the phone number, telling them, you call this person, this company is a quite efficient company.
I see.
So this is how we...
and what's the name of the company? It's Sri Radio?
Yeah, Sri Radio Taxi Services.
I see. And which is the radio, the wireless that you'll use?
It is...
this one?
No, we are using Kenwood.
I see.
And this is the walkie-talkie that have been... There are two types of walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
One is the mobile type, you can carry it out.
I see.
And then the other one is which is been attached to your car, which you cannot carry it out. You have to be in the car to get your calls.
And you'll pay a monthly subscription for this?
Yes, we have a monthly subscription paid to the company for the service that they are giving us. It's 165
ringgit.
Ringgit.
Very interesting. Thanks.
Thank you.